I'm gonna show you guys how to improve your joystick problem. Let me see if I fix that up. Yeah, this is what it is. This clear plastic gel thing. There's needle threads inside. Sorry, inside here. You can barely, yeah, you can see that. This. Here we go. You can see. Well, there's four. There's four little metal things through this plastic, whatever the gel it is. There's been a lot of problems. This is not reading from this onto the motherboard to this right here. So I'm going to show you guys how to solve that problem. First of all, you will need a piece of wire anywhere laying around your house, anywhere. So what you're going to do is you're going to see if you can get a piece out. As I'm doing that, you can see I'm getting several ones. Okay, I got one very thin one. You can see it. This is what I'm gonna do. It's very hard because if you mess up, it will go around or somewhat. And you gotta hold the needle nose pretty hard. And you gotta pry it like inside there. Okay. First, make sure you have it nice and set. About that length. Let's see if you can see it right there. Hold on to this. And pry it in here as much as you can. It's a pain in the ass to do, but once you get it in, it's in. Yeah, I got mine in. You see how it's in there? Now I'm going to put it all the way through. Okay, got it. See how it's there? On the end, let me just move my piece. There you go, better. You will see that once it's all the way through, I'll bend it. I'll bend the wire over right here inside. I'll cut this piece off, but I'm gonna flex it over here. Which I'm gonna bend it back here. So now I bend this from down here around. So I'm going to cut that off. Now there it is. Once that's done, make sure the wires are not touching against each other here. Make sure it's perfect straight down. If not, you're gonna have interference of your joystick going to want to go left and right, which is not good. But warning, be careful, because if once you drop this little piece somewhere, it's gonna be a pain in the ass to find, and if you can't find it, you're totally screwed. So, put it back in here. Well, I'm not finished. This is just a little demonstration. But yeah, that's the one good way to keep a good joystick working fine forever, for good. Yeah, so that's that. So I'll be posting more videos of, you know, tricks and stuff here and there. So this is just the beginning.